Hello viewers, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, we will learn how to calculate age in Microsoft Excel. So let's have a look now. First, open your Excel worksheet containing the data that includes birth dates for which you want to calculate age. Then select a new column where you will display the ages. Before entering formula, go for number group and from here select number. In the first cell of each column, enter the following formula. Type equals sign and write DATEDIF and give a first bracket. Then after select the date. Now put a comma and then write today and give two brackets. Now put a comma again and then give an apostrophe and type Y for years. Then again apostrophe and close the brackets. Press enter. Here you can see the date is calculated. Now just drag and down to find out next dates. That's it. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. This video is sponsored by Xerosoft. Xerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.